This video showcases the new feature about rescheduling medications with improved amount calculation. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Let's gain a deeper understanding of this feature by looking at this example about one patient. Click on the Patient Services page. Here, we can see that this medication are scheduled 3 times per week, and the amount for this visit is 2. Now, let's see the amount of medication for the next visit. Click on the Services page on the next visit date. Here, we can see that the amount of medication for this visit is 1. Now, let us go back to the Services page for the current visit. Let's say during this visit, the patient did not receive the medication, so the nurse wants to bring it to the next visit. Click on Reschedule. Select the date for the next visit. Click Save. A prompt box will appear with confirmation text regarding the rescheduling of the medication and its amount. Click Continue. Now, we can see that the medication no longer appears on today's Services page. Let's see what happens on the Services page for the next visit. We can see that the medication amount has now been updated from 1 to 3. If we click on the eye icon, we can view the details of the changes. The total medication amount is now automatically calculated after the rescheduling. Thank you for watching. Here are some video suggestions that you can also watch.